welcome to another segment of Pat's Daily Rants. I've had a number of people ask me when I'm going to rant about the Minnesota Vikings. Well, here we go. Are you kidding me? What a target-rich environment these knuckleheads are. They lead the league in arrests, period. That's what they lead the league in. They had a tie for the franchise's worst record for the year. We got people running around on this team that have no clue what's going on. The coach is standing there scratching his head, and the owner, well, where the hell is he? Oh, that's right, he's in New Jersey. The best part of this whole group is the state is in turmoil right now because we have to hurry. We got to build them a $1.1 billion stadium. Just in case you didn't catch that one. $1.1 billion stadium. A playhouse for multi-millionaires to run around in and be bad. I don't get it. And you turn on the TV and listen to the radio and you know what you hear? It's Minnesota's team. It's the history of Minnesota. The history of mediocrity. That's what this team is, number one. And number two, there isn't a single player from Minnesota on this team. We got an economic situation in this state that has never been seen before. We got people barely making ends meet, and we're talking about hurrying up to build a $1.1 billion football stadium? What in the hell how can that possibly make sense? That's like equating, gee, if I eat something that's going to make me vomit, it'll make me lose weight. What? This is unbelievable. My head hurts thinking about it. You know what? The game day experience, I hear that one too. You know what? I can sit on the tailgate of my truck, drink a six-pack of beer, and roast a weenie on a hibachi in my driveway, go in, watch the game on TV, and not have to pee in a trough with 45 other people. You know what? If they need help loading shit onto a bus to move them out to LA, I'm your man. I will go help. Can't lift anything very heavy anymore, though. I think we're all really getting sick of this football and this priority whacked out system we have for these overpaid morons. It's unbelievable. We're all getting sick of it. So knock it off. This has been one of probably many rants about overpaid athletes, Minnesota Vikings, etc., etc., etc. Have a great day from Pat's Rants.